The Bosch RA1181 router table. It's actually a pretty nice table. I mean, it's level, well constructed. The problem I had with it is this base. The base is plastic. Even though they had reinforcements designed into it, the biggest flaw is if you see this power switch right here and how it's mounted. It was originally mounted in this particular plate, which is also plastic. And as you can see, these little stress cracks that form right here all throughout and all the mounting points. This router table was only used twice, and just sitting here through the noises that are in the shop itself, the mount screws transmitted the vibration and eventually caused the failure of this plate. So what I did, I had an old metal shelf laying here made of 18 gauge steel, maybe even 20 gauge, I think it's 18. And using the plasma cutter, I laid out a template here, and I cut out this piece of metal similar to the shape of the original backer plate, except in this case I made it a little longer, and then I broke it in a radius to wrap around the legs on both sides. Then I used a heat gun and removed the label from the original plastic one and then put it on here. Now, to attach this, I used 3M BHB double-sided tape. And anybody that's used that BHB tape knows it's really sticky, and it's almost a semi-permanent bond. The stuff doesn't give up like the old sponge tape. It's really good stuff. So there you have it. This was there. I'm going to send this video to Bosch on Amazon, all the people I bought it from, and let them see the failure and then the corrective action that was taken to make this table utilizable again, fully functional. There you have it.